Now, since it's your first time in the Philippines, I'm sure a lot of your fans want to ask this question. What was the first Filipino food that you tried?
망고예요. kumain pa ako ng mangoes.
Pino food ba yun? Pero sige, pagbigyan na natin siya. First time to eat mango in the Philippines.
한국에서도 뭐 망고를 먹긴 했지만 필리핀에 망고 너무너무 맛있다는
당연하죠.
너무 맛있고 망고를 먹었습니다. Of course, I did have mangoes when I was in Korea, pero I heard that Filipino mangoes are the best. And when I just arrived, I asked for mangoes, and napakasarap talaga.
You know, the Filipino mangoes are the best, right? But did you also know that the Filipino fans are the best as well? Now you know. Yes. Now currently, the Philippines is experiencing the Kim Ji-won fever. And lahat naman talaga kami ay in love sa'yo. Do you feel how popular you are here in the Philippines?
시간이 안 된다고 할 수가 없을 정도로 굉장한 하루를 보내주셔서 지금 너무 감동이고 너무너무 감사해요. Actually, I cannot say na hindi ko talaga nararamdaman. I can totally feel it dahil napakalakas ng iyong mga pag-welcome sa akin. So it's really overwhelming talaga.
And of course, you have to get used to this because every time you come back to Manila, it's gonna be like this. Promise, it's gonna be the reception, the welcome is gonna be so loud and warm.